In this section, let's look into control structures with robot framework. Control structures is nothing but for loops, while loops, if-else condition. Let's first look into for loop with robot framework. In any programming language, there might be a need to execute some part of the code multiple times, again and again. In that situations, for loop will be used to execute the code repeatedly. Let's look into the structure of robot framework for loop. So I have created a test case. If you type for, you can see here there are different types of for loops are available with robot framework. For in enumerate, for in range, for in zip. The mostly used will be for in and for in range. What is for in? For in is nothing but if you have a list of values and you want to iterate over that list, then you can use for in structure. Robot framework for loop starts with for and ends with the end. Whatever comes in between this, everything will be executed repeatedly. How many times this for loop will be executed, those many times the code within this will be executed. And you have to give a indentation as well, one step inside. As I mentioned, for in is used for iterating over a list. Here I have a list called animals which has 3 values, dog, cat and cow. So if you want to iterate over each of this element, you can use for in loop. Let's put log to console and element. So this loop will be executed 3 times and each time the element present inside the animals list will be printed. If I run it, you can see here dog, cat, cow. It is printed. You don't have to define it as a variable. You can also directly give the values here and you can iterate over the same list. The result will be same. Now what is for in range? For in range is nothing but if you want to iterate from a range 1 to 10 or 1 to 100, then you will be using for in range. So this is kind of a counter. If you want to start from a position and to go till an end, you can give an optional steps as well. For example, start from 1, go till 10. If you are not giving these optional steps, it will take it as 1. That means each time it will increment the count by 1. So now this should print 1 to 10. If you run, you can see here it is printed 1 to 10. The same if you are giving an optional range, for example 3. Each time it will increment by 3. 1, 4, 7 like that. Let me run this also. You can see 1, 4, 7. So this is where for in range is used. You want to iterate over a range. As an exercise, go through the documentation and check where for in enumerate and for in zip is used. Also, please go through how to iterate over a dictionary using for loop. If you have a dictionary, key and value pairs, you can iterate over the dictionary using for loop. Please go through this. This will be also useful for you.